Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the field of chemistry, particularly sustainable chemistry? Sustainable chemistry is all about creating eco-friendly processes and materials. It's a crucial field that helps us minimize our environmental footprint and strive for a greener future. Now, imagine combining this with artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns humans might miss, can be a game changer. It can facilitate research by predicting outcomes, accelerate the discovery of new eco-friendly materials, and optimize chemical processes to minimize waste and energy use. Picture a world where AI helps us design new materials right from our laptops or predict the environmental impact of a chemical process before it even starts. A world where we can create more while consuming less, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Indeed, the intersection of AI and sustainable chemistry holds immense potential. Let's explore this further with a real-world example. Consider the case of IBM's AI-driven research in sustainable chemistry. IBM is not just a tech giant, it's also a pioneer in leveraging artificial intelligence for sustainable chemistry. One of their most intriguing endeavors is developing eco-friendly materials for the electronics industry, an industry that, let's face it, has a notorious reputation for its environmental footprint. Here's where IBM's AI models make a grand entrance. These models are capable of analyzing chemical structures and predicting their properties. This might sound like a simple task, but in the realm of chemistry, it's akin to finding a needle in a haystack. Each chemical compound has a unique structure and a multitude of potential properties. To manually analyze each one would be a Herculean task. But with AI, the process becomes not only feasible, but also efficient and accurate. With this ability, IBM has been able to identify sustainable alternatives to harmful substances currently used in the electronics industry.